Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It is Friday, TGIF. Yes, Friday. This has probably been one of the toughest weeks I have had in a very long time. I've just been moving, just continually moving, continually working on something and so forth. So I am so glad that today's recipe for dinner tonight here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen is a simple one. Tonight is garlic brown sugar chicken thighs. Oh, all right, let's get to it. Look, all I have on this counter is some garlic, some butter. That's it. No onions, no peppers, nothing. No knife work today. There's the recipe. And on the work table, 4 ingredients: brown sugar, hence the name of the recipe. Some whole thyme, Mexican oregano, and Mexican sweet basil. Prep will take me minutes. I can actually do it during a commercial break of Grey's Anatomy. Yes, I am still watching and enjoying Grey's Anatomy. Matter of fact, I'm doing this on a commercial break. So yesterday, built a little home studio. This is my island. Ooh, you don't get to see this very often. But this is the island in my kitchen. As you can see, I've got lots of counter space. But I did my onion prep video right here. I left this up to show you. You know, it's a good thing that I'm a production guy and have lighting equipment and so forth. So that is where I'm going to be doing a lot of my demonstration videos and so forth. Obviously, that equipment won't be staying up because Robin will probably kill me if I do. And I don't like a cluttered kitchen either. So, enjoy your day. It is Friday. Eat great food and have fun cooking.